Another area that you really specialize in are financial institution risks. And we've talked a little bit about how really financial institution risks are not created equal. And there is sort of a misconception sometimes with retail agents thinking that they are. Talk to us a little bit about financial institution risks and what agents need to be aware of in terms of making sure that they're properly covered.
Sure. The brokerage of financial institution and financial services firm risks is a little bit different because there are many, many different specific products, kind of like what we talked about in the E&O world. In the D&O world, you have your nonprofit D&O, your private company D&O, your public company D&O. Those are really three products. And then you tailor those policies via endorsement to the individual client. But there's really only three products. In the financial institution world, each class of financial institution has its own product. For example, a bank, a hedge fund, a venture capital firm, an insurance company. And then you have the fund category of the miscellaneous financial services or the diversified financial services, where they're doing things that either blend the exposures or they're kind of unique and they don't fit any of those products. So the challenge that you deal with here is the submission requirements for each of those classes is very different. You're typically dealing with a different underwriter. It becomes very, very specialized at the insurance carrier level, where you would find a bank underwriter might underwrite banks for his whole career, and a hedge fund underwriter might underwrite hedge funds for her whole career. So it becomes very, very specialized. The brokerage and the coverage requirements change. Sometimes you want to combine the directors and officers and the professional exposures onto one policy. Sometimes you want to keep them separate. So it is a different kind of a different world. And again, kind of with the M&A, we're very involved in working with our producers as they speak to their prospects and their clients. And I'd probably say that 2/3 of my in-person meetings with clients over the years have been FI-related meetings, just because that's where our retail broker wants us to come in and wants us to give that extra help. And we start early. We start meeting with the client before they even complete the application, because if you don't ask the client for the right documents up front, you're going to lose that client very quickly, because they're going to get solicited by the big brokers out there who have specialized FI teams at the retail level.